Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add quick parts on the Outlook website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow the tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type outlook.live.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, but just if you are logged in into your account. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account, for you it will open for you another page. From that page, you'll be able to create an account if you don't have one, and even to just log in into your account if you already have your account. Of course, once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself with this page right here, and you'll be able to start. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to add quick parts on our Outlook website. So of course, that will be simple. It will take from you just 4 maybe steps. Yeah, it will not be like that long. So of course, first of all, you would like to select the content that you want to store. For me, for now, I don't have any content in this account, it's just new. But for you, simply just select the content that you want to store, and on the Inserts tab or in the next text group, just click at Quick Parts, then save selection to Quick Parts Gallery, and in the dialog box that pops up, just specify some attributes, and when done, just click OK to save the new entry. And that's how you simply add quick parts on the Outlook website. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and goodbye.